Welcome to the 8th and final part of LSNTAP's Web Accessibility series. In this video, I'll just go over a few tools that can help you check your site's accessibility for free on the web. A good general checker to get you started is called Wave. It's released by WebAIM, a great resource for all things related to accessibility, and you can find it at wave.webaim.org. Entering your site's URL in the checker will show you a marked up version of your site with differently colored icons on potential problem areas and further descriptions for each in the sidebar. Wave also links to WebAIM's Color Contrast Checker, which is a great tool specific to color issues. It's also available separately at webaim.org/resources/contrast checker and will tell you the ratio of contrast between your two colors, which you can also lighten and darken to maximize contrast. Checkmycolors.com, spelled with a British U in color, will also indicate all the color combinations on your site which are adequate and which ones aren't. It checks not only contrast ratio, but also brightness and color difference, and shows what the sample looks like in the center column. A final color resource for now is at colorfilter.wicline.org. It's a color blindness simulator. Enter your URL and select a type of color blindness. Protopia, or red-green color blindness, is most common and is therefore a good choice. It will return an image of your page through a filter that simulates the way a colorblind person would see it. If you can still read it and make out the images, you're in good shape. Another good way to check for colorblind accessibility is simply to convert your page or print it in black and white. If it's still legible, you should be in the clear. For readability issues, check out readable.com. Just entering the URL of your site will give you a simple estimate of your site's reading level in grade level terms. Remember, you want to be at an 8th grade level or below. If your reading level is too high, check out writeclearly.org, a resource put together by Legal Assistance of Western New York. This site is specific to legal services organizations and has some great tips and tutorials, and even a tool on the homepage to help pinpoint elements of legalese so you can remove them. Finally, get some practice with a screen reader and check out how accessible your site is to someone using one with Web Anywhere or WebAIM's screen reader simulation. Web Anywhere is available at webanywhere.cs.washington.edu. It allows you to hear any site read aloud with a screen reader. Just click Try Web Anywhere Now, enter a URL, and you can hear a robot voice read your site aloud, the way someone with a screen reader would experience it. Press Tab or find Next to move through the site.
Cargo has loaded. Key headings will key links. LSNTAP. Link jump to navigation.
Alternately, you can practice using a screen reader to accomplish tasks using WebAIM's screen reader simulation at webaim.org/simulations/screenreader. Clicking Open the WebAIM screen reader simulation will take you to a list of keyboard commands and tasks. The audio will walk you through the site, and you have to use the keyboard to accomplish the listed tasks, such as finding a phone number. You can't see the page at all, so it's a pretty good way to experience what it's actually like to use a screen reader.
University of the Antarctic Home. Table with 3 columns and 7 rows. Link, graphic, link for...
I hope these tools help you to develop a more accessible website. Thanks for watching, and check out lsntap.org for even more resources and tools.
See ya.